here? Who the little boy here? Come, move from side, man. Come here, so come stand up. Who for pitney this?
Mommy,
No, girl, talk up. Don't move in a young man. Stand up right here, so too. Because you're not escape. What you say now?
If you will, sir.
What you say? Who for son this? Where you know that little boy here from? Little girl, you know long me and walk up and down and I look for you all day. Eh? You not tell me say you're there and I also you're not gonna wear you're staying there like a, you see you cannot be trusted. Who for pitney this?
Mommy, we need him again. We need him again.
Little boy, who you? Cause you look like she dumb, you know.
Rastaman know this I'm father.
Which Rastaman you talk about? Your father and the name? I say, who are your father?
Juta name.
Juta name? The tall black Rastaman with bun weed and gamble and sitting? Little girl, how are you really depend? Are them people you gonna mix up with? The Rasta tall man that living at the old boardhouse down there, so? The man, you know the man, him always gamble, drink, and him all a beg. You idiot? No, go pay your Shade. You get on my nerves right now. Me I call your father, make him come for you. You little boy, come here, go down to your yard with you down to your father. Because I want to know where you and my daughter come from. You know why? Obviously she don't eat that and she can't even talk. You know to do something. Call your father.
Daddy.
Call your father and say the door not locked.
Daddy. Name there no.
Him name there now. Where your name?
Tell them name.
Tell her the name. Where you know my daughter from?
School me know her from.
You know her from school, yeah? How much?
16.
Look boy, if I have manners, don't kiss your teeth off for me, because I not disrespect you. Yeah, how much?
16.
And you know how old my daughter is?
No.
No? And you never walk on road like, what you call it? Couples. And you don't know, let me tell you something. My daughter is 14-year-old. You hear, little boy? I don't want to see you back with her. Because you see, if I see you back with her, a police may come lock up you and your father. Or if not, I pay you first and make you get a trim. Look by your ear. Hey, look boy, I don't want to see you back with my daughter. And I come back down here to your father later or tomorrow because I don't run no joke with your name.